Hello everybody, so today I will be talking about how to improve your setup. If you have the money and your computer needs to be upgraded, go for that first. So the first way to upgrade your setup is cleaning it up. You can clean it up by removing everything from the surface and wiping your desk with a wet cloth or cleaning wipe. You can also clean your monitors with a microfiber cloth, but don't use anything else because you don't want to damage your monitors. A good idea is getting a headphone stand. You don't want a cluttered desk, so don't keep junk on your desk. And this brings me to the next point, and that is personality. You don't want a bland setup, so that's why you should put some more posters, stickers, or figures like Funko Pops on your desk. An example for me is that I like Assassin's Creed games, so I have an Ezio figure on my desk. But don't have too many of your personality items to the point where it becomes cluttered. The next way is cable management. This one is super important because cables can clutter your desk a lot. The way I manage my cables under my desk is with a net, but you can get a cable rack, and that works just as well. Another way to manage your cables on your desk is by drilling a hole for them. Lots of people do this for their keyboard and their mouse. The next tip is to get RGB lighting, and most people already have this, but if you don't, there are a lot of cheap lighting strips on Amazon. And last but not least, upgrading your stuff like chair, monitor, microphone, keyboard, mouse, and your desk. And you can get almost all of these things on Amazon, and in my opinion, IKEA has some really good cheap desks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and see you guys at another video.